Hello everyone. Welcome to Top 10.
Top 10 in demand engineering jobs.
10. Sound engineer. Audio engineer, also known as a sound engineer or recording engineer, helps to produce a recording or a live performance, balancing and adjusting sound sources using equalization and audio effects, mixing, reproduction, and reinforcement of sounds. The career of a sound engineer is both rewarding as well as challenging. Sound engineers can record or produce in music studios. Sound engineers can conduct live shows such as concerts and plays. Sound engineers can operate advanced sound systems for TV, film and radio crews. Overall employment of broadcast and sound engineering technicians is projected to grow 8% from 2018 to 2028, faster than the average for all occupations. Growth is expected to stem from businesses, schools, and entertainment industries seeking to improve their audio and video capabilities. Salary details. Average starting salary $5,000 per annum. Average median salary $8,000 per annum. 9. Optical engineer. Optical engineering is the field of study that focuses on applications of optics. Optical engineering deals with design of optical instruments such as lenses, microscopes, telescopes, and other equipment that utilizes the properties of light using physics and chemistry. Those who pursue optical engineering as a vocation have the chance to be involved with exciting technologies that can dramatically improve quality of life. For classification purposes, optical engineers fall under the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics category of engineers. All other, these professionals were expected to experience average employment growth of 4% between 2018 and 2028, as per the BLS. Salary details. Average starting salary $6,000 per annum. Average median salary $9,000 per annum. 8. Project engineer. A project engineer is a critical field that is a necessity in every branch of engineering. Project engineering is not typically something that is explicitly studied because any engineering degree can land you a project engineering post. However, further study in project management is usually recommended after a bachelor's to improve overall efficiency. A project engineer manages projects that are technical in nature that may include the design, procurement, manufacture and delivery of small simple components to complex chemical treatment plants. The role is multidisciplinary in nature and requires a fundamental technical understanding of every facet of the project. Salary details. Average starting salary $6,000 per annum. Average median salary $10,000 per annum. 7. Mining engineer. Mining is the start of any product's life cycle. This is the stage where the raw materials for everything that is manufactured are obtained. A mining engineer typically designs both open pit and underground mines and supervises the excavation and construction of these. They also design methods for processing and transporting the mined materials to various processing plants. While the consumption trend for iron is set to begin falling in the next few decades, demand for lithium, copper, nickel and various other metals required in electronics and batteries is set to continue growing. Salary details. Average starting salary $8,000 per annum. Average median salary $12,000 per annum. 6. Alternative energy engineer. due to the increased pressure being placed on the planet due to climate change. There has been an international push towards clean and renewable energy. For example, the demand for solar energy technology has increased dramatically, resulting in decreased panel costs. This is creating a feedback loop that is further pushing up demand. There can be no doubt that alternative clean energy is the future, despite coal-fired power stations still making up the majority of global energy production. Its growth has stagnated while alternative energy has grown. An energy engineer needs to start off with at least a bachelor's degree in mechanical or electrical engineering, thereafter a master's in energy engineering for the specific desired field can further improve job prospects. Salary details: average starting salary $9,000 per annum, average median salary $12,000 per annum. 5. Civil engineering. Civil engineering was a highly sought-after job in 2018 and that trend continues 2019. Civil engineers build the infrastructure on which the world depends. There are various branches of civil engineering which make it difficult to saturate the market, and it is therefore a great field to be in. The main civil engineering fields include structural engineering, environmental engineering, road, highway engineering and transportation engineering. Salary details: average starting salary $10,000 per annum, average median salary $13,000 per annum. 4. Electrical engineering. Electrical engineering is another one of the traditional engineering fields that shows continued demand. Electrical engineering is a very broad field which includes power engineering, instrumentation engineering, and electronic engineering, among others. The broad range of possible career paths within electrical engineering means that there will probably always be jobs available. Salary details: average starting salary $11,000 per annum, average median salary $14,000 per annum. 3. Petroleum engineer. Petroleum engineers typically work on drilling methods, the design of drilling equipment and implementing and monitoring the drilling plan for the extraction of crude oil. Petroleum engineering has been in demand for the past few years and is set to continue growing over the coming decade. Despite the push for electrical vehicles and clean energy, oil is still highly valued as it is used in many different industries. Many petroleum engineers are expected to retire in the coming years, meaning job positions for new engineers will open up. There is, of course, a moral dilemma in getting into the petroleum industry when one considers the growing environmental crisis we are facing, something that should be taken into account when searching for a job. Salary details: average starting salary $13,000 per annum, average median salary $16,000 per annum. 2. Automation or robotics engineer. Robotic systems are already good at performing menial repetitive tasks that don't require the dexterity and attention to detail provided by a human worker. However, with constant advances in computing, energy storage and materials, robots are beginning to move from single-arm welding and assembly robots to complex humanoid machines. A striking example of this is the Boston Dynamics robot. A robotics engineer is involved in every aspect of the design, development, testing and implementation of robotic systems. Robotics engineers are typically either mechanical, electronics or mechatronic engineers. As we move ever closer to an automated world, the only safe jobs are those within automation itself. Salary details: average starting salary $14,000 per annum, average median salary $18,000 per annum. 1. Data science or machine learning. Software engineering has seen continuous growth over the past few years and there are no signs of it stopping. Data science is a branch of software engineering that involves creating meaningful information based on large amounts of data. These large datasets are known as big data and can come from a variety of sources such as e-commerce, medical or financial sectors. This field uses both statistics and software engineering to gather, analyze and present data in such a way as to allow the end user to optimize their specific services. A simple example of this is using the data of which products sell best during a specific time of year to create targeted marketing campaigns. Salary details: average starting salary $16,000 per annum, average median salary $20,000 per annum.